our countdown will be in progress while the rocket's still on the way up. So again, you'll see it come over the trees in the area by those traffic lights. Again, the sound won't reach us for about 35 seconds, so we're expecting to hear that sound in about 20 seconds.
We've just passed 30 seconds and counting. Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. In just a few
Falcon 9
seconds.
powering forward.
We'll throttle the engines down in preparation for max Q, a period of maximum aerodynamic pressure.
What you're seeing right now, that puff of smoke, it's going through an area of the atmosphere called a thermocline. There's a rapid change in pressure, something like the folks that live up north. You got on a cold day, you get your breath is able to be seen. That stops in just a few seconds, and that's what you just saw. That's as we're going through a part of the atmosphere called a thermocline. If you look at the screen, we're 1 minute